Managing a business in upstate New York is no easy task, especially when the technology you rely on goes on the fritz. Your files aren't accessible due to malware, your workstations break down and keeps your staff from working, or a storm hits before your backup takes place. Before long, it seems that you've repeatedly dealt with the same set of problems. When this happens, you start to feel frustrated. Directive has a solution. We can maintain your critical technology throughout our managed services. We can keep your infrastructure up and running in order to keep you productive. We'll monitor your network to keep an eye out for impending issues so we can proactively resolve them before they impact your business. Should you need it, support is available 24/7. By ensuring that everything on your network has the necessary updates, we'll give you the confidence that you are always working with technology that is optimized to meet your needs. We can talk about preventative solutions like backup and network security, or address any pain points with your existing technology. Our mission is to see you succeed through our services and support. To accomplish this, reach out to set up an appointment. Call Directive at 888-546-4384 to get started.